Hello. Well, thanks again for your time with our discovery call number 2, where we were looking at your vehicles and your vehicle information. So during this task is when you're going to be working in the vehicle list worksheet, the vehicle information worksheet, and providing us the data for your vehicle table. The vehicle worksheet is attached to this task, so you can go ahead and work on that. Before you do work on it, I just wanted to review a little bit of what we talked about during our call today and what information you need to provide in the worksheet and what information you can provide if you choose to. Your worksheet may be somewhat customized than what you're seeing here. This is just my example, but we'll just go ahead and talk through this example before you start working. So remember from the call, we said that the first 4 columns are going to be required. You need to give me some information in all 4 of these columns for each vehicle. The first column is your vehicle number. And the second column is the vehicle type, and this one is the one that could be customized according to your district of what vehicle types you are offering. And we certainly talked about that during our call. So this column may look a little different, but you do need to tell what type of vehicle it is, that number is, and it needs to be one of the types that we've discussed. So it needs to match. So in the top of the column here, your different labels, these are the ones, whatever it says on your worksheet, that would be listed. So for example, if this is what yours look like, activity bus, yellow bus, car, approved charter, those are the only 4 options that you could list here in this column, unless we needed to add a different vehicle type, and we would just need to talk about that, of what that vehicle type would be. The third column, the vehicle location, we talked about this also, but this vehicle location should match the school ID and the school name that was in the school contact worksheet. So it would include that ID number and the name of the school as it appeared in the last worksheet that you sent me with school contacts. So be sure that that works that way too. And it's possible, if all of your vehicles are at transportation, this may be the same location all the way down with the ID, with the school code. And then finally, status, either in service or out of service, and perhaps they will all be in service, and that's fine, but we do need that information. Now, if we move through this worksheet, you notice that there are quite a few more columns, and these that have a yellow mark above the data, these are all optional. You can give us this information, but it isn't required information. So information about the capacity, your vehicle year, make, the VIN number, the license number, all that you can give me, and we'll add it to your database. The only information in this little group here that would show up when you make your assignment is a capacity information. So if you wanted to provide that, not the rest, that would be okay. Now the lift information is required, and you see the asterisk. It is a required field. You need to tell if this vehicle has a lift, yes or no. And then finally, the wheelchair lots and number of harnesses, you can indicate that information, and that does show up also when you make your assignment. So that would be helpful information for you to provide and see on the assignment. And then the vehicle description is an option as well. So this is your task now, is to complete this worksheet with your vehicle information. Once you have it completed, attach it to the task and mark the task done, and then we will begin working on getting your vehicle table set up for you. Once you've marked this task done, I'll send you the next task, and we'll start working on the next milestone. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let me know, and if you are stuck, just you can indicate that on the task. Good luck with working with your vehicles, and thank you very much.